A fun little edible craft for Easter or for spring.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First we're going to do is make the bird's nest. To do this you will need 10 ounces, about 300 grams of butterscotch chips. You're going to cook these in the microwave until they're melted. And once they're melted, you're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of crunchy or smooth peanut butter. Stir the peanut butter in, and as you stir, the peanut butter will melt because the butterscotch chips are warm, and it'll get quite liquid, like once you're stirred it in. Then you're going to stir in 5 or 6 cups of chow mein noodles. These are the fried ones. They're nice and crispy. And you just stir that around until they're completely coated with the mixture. Just be careful because you don't want to break the noodles into tiny, tiny little pieces. You want to have some good sized pieces. Then you're going to take scoops of the noodle mixture, put it on wax paper, or in this case I'm using a silicone mat, mound it into a little bird's nest, kind of a round shape, and then make a small indentation or a little hole in the middle. And you'll need that because that's the inside of the nest, and that's where we're going to put our little baby birds. So once you make all your nests, let them harden. I put mine in the refrigerator to make that go a little bit faster. And for the baby birds, you can use Easter egg candies. I'm using those plus some almond M&Ms, and I'm using Mike and Ike candies for the wings. So for each bird, you'll take a Mike and Ike candy, and you're just going to use a clean pair of kitchen scissors and just snip off one end on the diagonal. And that's one wing, and then do the same thing with the other candy, just like that. And then all you have to do is take the cut candy and just press it to the side of the bird body. Now these are those kind of marshmallow, hard candy outside and marshmallow in the middle. And just press them. You don't have to glue them on. They are going to stay nicely just like that. I'm making eyes using an edible ink marker. And then for the beak, I'm just using a little tiny dab of frosting. I'm using yellow and orange. This is actually an M&M that's a candy coated almond. And I'm putting yellow beak on this one for contrast. And then for another one, I used orange because it was already yellow. So whatever colors you want to use are completely up to you. And then all you have to do is put your little bird inside the nest. Now, if you don't want these to move, you can put a dab of chocolate in the bottom and then just press it in and then let them harden, and then the birds won't budge if you have to transport them somewhere. Same thing, you can add some eggs to these little nests if you don't want to put the birds, or you can do a few of each, which I think looks really cute. There's a whole grouping of them. I was really happy with the way these turned out. They look so cute in a group. And you can also make some little mounds that aren't nests at all, just as a dessert. So there are my little baby birds. I put 2 in each little nest, and then some of the bigger birds. I think they are so cute. I have some other Easter goodies on my channel. If you want to see my other Easter goodies, go ahead and click on this playlist. Bye-bye.